Welcome. Today we'll show you how to access your reviews on the Vrbo Owner app. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device and search for the Vrbo app. Please note that there are two Vrbo applications available: Vrbo Vacation Rentals and Vrbo Owner. Make sure to download and open the Vrbo Owner app. After opening the Vrbo Owner app, sign in to your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the app's homepage. To view your reviews, tap on the profile icon located within the app. Navigate to the Reviews section. Here, you'll find a list of all the reviews you've received on your listing. You can filter the reviews by selecting options such as Need Response to see reviews you haven't responded to, or Need Rating to view reviews you haven't rated. That's it! You can now easily access and manage your reviews on the Vrbo Owner app. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.